Hey there, beach lovers. Welcome back to my channel, Beach Bliss with Monica. I'm your host, Monica, and today I'm strolling along one of the most breathtaking beaches in the world. Just look at this paradise. I'm currently walking on the powdery white sands of this incredible beach. The water is a mesmerizing shade of turquoise, so clear that you can see right through to the coral reefs beneath. It's like stepping into a postcard or a dream. The gentle waves are lapping at the shore, creating a soothing symphony of nature. The beach is surrounded by lush palm trees, providing much-needed shade and adding to the tropical vibe. The air is filled with the intoxicating scent of coconuts and salt water. I can't help but feel a sense of calm and tranquility wash over me as I take in the natural beauty around me. What makes this beach truly remarkable is its sheer size. It stretches for miles, offering ample space for sunbathing, playing beach volleyball, or simply taking long romantic walks with your loved ones. The soft sand feels like silk beneath my toes, and the warm sun kisses my skin, leaving a gentle tan. As I walk further along the shoreline, I can't help but notice the diversity of marine life. Snorkeling or scuba diving here would be a dream come true. I can already imagine swimming alongside vibrant tropical fish, spotting graceful sea turtles, and exploring the colorful coral reefs that teem with life. This beach truly has it all: natural beauty, tranquility, and endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Whether you're a thrill seeker, nature enthusiast, or simply someone looking to unwind, this beach is the perfect destination. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this virtual stroll along this amazing beach. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.